Welcome to Module 2. Module 2 is talking about Chapter 3 actually in the text, and that's going to cover process costing. Now you saw in job order costing that we have job tickets and we're tracking direct labor, direct materials, and overhead on a job by job basis. In process costing we have a different situation, and it's not bad, but it's not the same as job order costing. So prepare yourself for a new experience. And the thing that's different about the process costing is simply that we have to know discrete identification of the product as it goes through the process. We have process following process. One department is perhaps a mixing department, an application department, a finishing department. And because it's a homogeneous product, something that we can't identify as a separate entity from another that looks exactly like it. This is common in a liquid industry such as oil and gas, or beverages, or water purification. But it also applies to any product that's produced en masse as a homogeneous item that is indistinguishable one from the other. They all look alike. So the process is what we're measuring. And because we have something in process first, something in process end, we have the same kinds of inventory processes that we've had in job order costing. However, in this case, what we wind up with is an estimate of equivalent units, whereas in the job costing process, you can identify specifically how many units you have at any point in time. In process costing, we are unable to do that because it's a homogeneous item. Therefore, we have to deal with equivalent units of production. Equivalent units of production then are the basis for everything we do. There are two ways of looking at equivalent units of production. One is the first in, first out method, FIFO, that you know and love from your other inventory ventures. And the other is a weighted average, or just an average method. Whether it's called average or weighted average method, it's still winding up with a weighted average. So this is what you can look forward to in process costing. This is all there is to Module 2, but you'll find as you get into it, it's not all there is. As always, have a good time at it. You'll learn something new, I hope, and something that will be useful for the rest of your career. I'm available if you have any questions or concerns as you go through this, and I look forward to working with you where we can.